Hello blissful ones, welcome back to my channel Bright Side Looks. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. Today's video is about installing a 13 by 4 14-inch curly unit, the one displaying right now. And yeah, yes guys, let's get into it. So the first thing I do, I start by getting my fresh clean hair. I slick back my edges because you have to get the edges out the way and slip back. You don't want any of your clients' hair glued up or sticking out. So get it back and use your blow dryer to dry it. I use a got-to-be glue to slip back the edges. So just put a little got-to-be glue on your brush and slick it back on your edges and your dryer to dry it before you cover up your hair with any cap or anything that you're using. Okay, also you clean, make sure you clean your area. You clean the surface before and after every step. That's pretty much it. After each step, you make sure you clean it, use a cotton swab and alcohol. And the alcohol that I use is 99% alcohol. So here I go applying. After I put the cap on, I applied my got-to-be glue around the edge of where our airline is, just so this is used as a mark, so I know where not to go over or how far I want the cap down on her forehead. It's also a mark to tell me where to cut the cap and where my spray, my got-to-be spray, which I'll be applying shortly, where I should let it not pass. Please remember to cut your ear tags and let your client's ear breathe. Also, with cutting the ear tags, it helps the cap, which is the wig cap, to sit directly on the client's head instead of having any hair mark or bubbles around it. So make sure that's dried a little, and then you go ahead and you use your spray. I'm using the Ebin free spray, and you see where I spray where it doesn't pass the line that I marked around my client's airline earlier. So after we let that dry, then we go ahead and clip off the excess cap. Be careful not to cut. Pull your cap backward when cutting, so you get it nice and flat. Pulling it backward into the glue instead of pulling it forward. And you cut all the way around the cap until it's all gone. The excess cap in the back, I tied it, and I also sewed down my client's cap to her hair, so you know that ain't going nowhere. Be very gentle not to cut the client. So after I cut the cap, I go ahead and I use a foundation. Foundation matching my client's skin tone, and I just apply it to the wig cap and also the lace of the unit that I'm about to install, and bam, watch that wig cap disappear. What wig cap? Yes, so you want to do that after you apply the foundation. Oh, my client, she fell asleep right there. So after you apply the foundation, you want to use just a little bit of free spray and spray it on it, so to hold it in place. Dry it, of course. Clean your surface, of course, and surface is your client's skin. Clean it of all makeup and all residue before applying anything. So after I clean it with the alcohol, I let it dry, and then I'm going to go in and apply my skin protector. There you go, skin protector. It's also a Ebin skin protector. You know, it helps to protect your client's skin against irritation caused from the glue that we will be applying to her skin or forehead. Make sure it's dry. So now that your area is nice and dry and clean and is protected, then we're gonna go in and apply our lace glue. In applying our lace glue, I apply it in I apply a small portion first, like small drops first, and then I go in and apply it a little thicker but not so thick. Once you apply small, you know, drops, then you smooth it out with your popsicle stick or anything that you have that is smooth, that has a smooth flat surface that could help you smooth it out. And always make sure you use a smooth or a clean side of whatever thing you're using, popsicle stick, to smooth out the area, because you don't want to put old glue on top of new glue. Forget what I mean. Yeah, just change the side of the popsicle stick, and I apply 4 layers to her hair because she wants this to be in for a month before her birthday. And yeah, 4 layers, and that's it. So now that the glue is dry, you can see dry, no white residue. I see a little white at the top up there, but don't pay that no mind. I got something for it. It's dry, so now you're gonna go ahead and put your wig or your lace down in the glue, directly in the glue. So this is where lace meets glue. Aligned it nice and gentle. Have everything in position. Gently press it down, but don't put your finger too much into it. You know, have your client hold one end so you can maneuver the other end. And yeah, lace is laying. I like it. Beautiful. Hey. After it's laid down and it's positioned properly, I'm gonna use my blow dryer just to, you know, put my blow dryer on cool and just to melt it down on the lace just a little bit, comb it in. Yeah. After that, I'm gonna, you know, satisfied enough, I'm gonna tie around the airline with my elastic band. And this is the melting process. This is where process is getting melt. So this is one of the first step of melting. I use my elastic melting band, and I just aligned it with the airline, tie it around the airline, and let it dry. Guys, please let it dry. Give it time to dry. This is a science, okay? And take steps. So after it's dried, I, you know, take off the elastic band, and here I'm going in with my razor blade, and I'm doing a zigzag method, cutting all this excess lace off the airline. So guys, remember to do a zigzag method, because you don't want your client to have a round face. You know, our face is already round, so I'm trying to give her some shapes and stuff up top. After all the lace is cut, then as you can see, lace cut is all gone. Yeah, my girl is ready. So the lace that is showing, I use the same foundation that I applied to the wig cap, and I use it to just touch around the edges of the lace. You know, apply some more spray to make the part that didn't really touch the glue sit right for her. Now she wants baby hair. Okay, baby hair you want, I'm gonna give it to you. Next step is I'm gonna part out the baby hair. This side is already parted out. I'm not gonna show you how I do the baby hair on camera, but this is me parting out the baby hair. I'm gonna curl these baby hair up, and I'm gonna lay them down on the side, on top of her eye, right there in the side of her head, and bam, there you go. The baby hair is laid. Activating the baby hair, get them to stay where I put them. I'm gonna tie these baby hair down, set them a little bit. Always tie your baby hair down, guys. Tie them just for a little bit. Use your blow dryer and blow it, dry it, and trust me, it will set. It will set. After it's tied down, then god, look at that. I use water and mousse and put on their hair to activate it, get the curls in, and look at that shine. It's beautiful. I have this dark root spray that I'll be spraying. This is a dark root spray. I'm not sure. I think it's L'Oreal where I got it from. And you know, I just spray in her part right there at the top just to give it a more sleek or a straight line. And yeah, clean up your ear per usual after everything. And that is it, guys. Look at that. What lace? She loves it and I love it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. There you go. Support me, guys. Thank you. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment below any question, request anything you want to request with relates to hair, makeup, and consultation. I'm located in Sunrise, Florida. Guys, thank you so much and have a blissful